How to create a website using Wix in 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another great video, and in this video we're going to be showing you how you can basically create a website using Wix in the simplest, most easiest way possible. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, you're going to obviously come to wix.com. Here's their website and everything. Like, you can see all their stuff, but obviously we're not going to work around with this. What we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and click on get started and move to the new tab. Now, here we are. Okay, we're going to come to the login where it's going to ask us to sign up and everything. Now, I'm going to be using, as you can see, a temp mail for myself, but if you're doing this for the long run, trust me, you're going to need to use a proper email. So I'm just going to make sure I write my password. There we go. There we go. And yeah, then from here on out, make sure you have a nice strong password. Make sure a password that goes with the people at Wix's needs. And then from there on out, just click on sign up, and yeah, you should be dandy from there. So let's just wait for it to load up, and here we are. First, who are you creating a website for? So it could be for yourself, it could be for a client. I'm gonna go with myself for now and click on continue. Okay. Now, once you click on continue, it says, what kind of website are you creating? Now, you could create different types of websites, you know. You have online stores, portfolio, blog website, consultancy website, you know, stuff like that. You can create many types of websites that you want to. Let's go with a blog for now, okay? Let's go with a blog. And once you've gone with the blog, you're going to click on next, okay? Now, once you click on next, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you, what are you going to call your website? You know what, just call it random. To be honest, we're going to change it later if we want to. I'm just going to call it this, gibberish. Now, click on next. What are your goals for this website? Now, for this website, you can sell products if you want to, offer your services, promote a business. You can collect leads, display creative work, promote yourself, share knowledge. You can do all of these things, like tons and tons of things that you can do for yourself. I'm going to go with, obviously, because it's a blog. So I'm going to promote a business, promote myself, just explore, build a community, share knowledge. And I'm going to click on next. Now, once I click on next, what it's going to do is it's going to bring me here. So what do you want to add to your website? So first of all, obviously, it's going to give us a built-in widget called blog where you can write posts to drive traffic and share your ideas. And then also a chat bot where we can chat with site visitors from desktop or mobile. So once we've done with that, we're going to click on next. Now, once you click on next, you're going to come here where it says you're ready for your next step. Continue setting up your website in your dashboard. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on go to dashboard. So let's just wait for that to load in. Now, once that loads, it says preparing your dashboard. So let's wait for that to load in quickly. And here we are. So welcome to your dashboard. Let's set up your blog. So obviously from here on out is where you're going to start editing stuff, where you're going to start creating. So mainly you have just created a website, but now to get into the more like nitty gritties, we're going to go on design site. So how would you like to design your website? You can either let an AI create a website for you or customize using a designed template. Okay. So the AI works amazingly. I like the AI, but I'd much rather create a website myself. So I'm going to go and pick a template. And once you go and pick a template, just choose a good template for your blog. Okay. I'm going to go with, let's go with this. Or you know what? I'm going to make a personal blog. And once you hover over the blog, just click on edit. And you're going to be taken into the whole, you know, websites drag and drop builder editor. And trust me, the editor works amazingly. It looks great and it's super easy to use. So we're going to be using this. Now, let's just wait for this to load up real quick. It does take like a few seconds to load up, so please just bear with it. And as we all know, that Wix is one of the most used website builders out there, to be honest, because like many people I've asked, even they all say that they use Wix because of like how cool and abstract it is, and it just works amazingly. So now once you've loaded in here, it's, you know, gonna add all the widgets to your website. Now, once everything is added, here it says explore the editor. You can take a quick tutorial, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to skip that because I don't really want to. So once you're done with that, here you are. Okay. Now, what's going to happen from here is I'm just going to close these things because I don't want these. And yeah, basically here we are. So this is your website. Now, in the left-hand side, you can see all these things like add elements, add section, pages and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, and content manager. You have tons and tons of things in the left hand side. So what we're going to do for now is let's go ahead and add ourselves some elements. So in the add elements section, basically you're going to get text, you're going to get images, buttons, strips, decoratives, text, you're going to get fonts. In images, you're going to get the option to upload any type of media you want to. In the buttons section, you're going to get proper buttons. And if you're wondering what buttons are, these are buttons. Okay. Now, if I click on the subscribe button, obviously I'll be redirected to a page where they're gonna, ask me to subscribe to a specific post or something. So you get the point. Then obviously down here you have these different strips, and you can add different strips into your blog or website or whatever you're creating. And it's pretty easy and basic stuff. So then you have the decorative section, and in the decorative section you just get different small elements, shapes, arrows, and lines, stuff like that. And you can just basically add these into your page just to make it look good. So yeah, that is basically how you're going to create a website. And then all you're going to need to do is publish it, and once it goes live, yeah, from there on out you're good to go. So yeah, that's basically how you create a website. And just once you create a website, also make sure to check the pricings on Wix and everything, because the pricings are pretty crucial as well. Because in the pricings, we're going to see 3 to 4 discrete plans. And obviously each of these plans work differently. So in the website plans, you're going to see the VIP, Unlimited, Combo, and Connect Domain plan. So these are obviously only for showcasing a professional website. So if you're making a blog, this should work perfect for you. But if you're making a proper business and e-commerce store, then I'd recommend using the business and e-commerce plans, where you can get the business basic, the business unlimited, business VIP. And then obviously there's the enterprise plans, where you get plans for a huge large scale business, but obviously this is for the business purposes. So if you're into the business purposes, you can go with this if you want to, but I just recommend a normal business and e-commerce plan.
So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to discuss when you're on Wix. So again, if I were to go the whole overview of creating your website, just go to your main Wix website. Okay, go to wix.com, sign yourselves up. Once you've signed yourselves up, just go to through the whole designing your template, choosing your template, that whole process. And once you've gone through that whole process, what you're finally going to do is just, log into your page for your website and start creating it. And obviously you have great tools that you can mess around with, great tools you can work around with. And yeah, you have much, much more. So you can also hire a professional if you need any, professional support or anything like that. And once you do all that, you should be good to go from there on out. The nitty gritties are in the video. You can scroll back, go back to the video and see if you want to see anything again. But yeah, that's mainly about it when it comes to Wix and creating a beautiful designed website on Wix. So that's pretty much all there is for this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. And if I left anything out, or if you have an issue or query with this video, please let me know that as well, and I'll fix it for you as soon as I can. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having a great day. That was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.